Okay, that next sentence is very interesting. They said directly, they're pretty honest nowadays. Let's see. They said,
如果没有新疆，中国的油气煤资源将少去1/3。
They said China's gas, oil, or coal, or other resources, natural resources, will be reduced by 1/3. Yes, because my land, remember Chinese Communist Party, Turkestan is rich. You are using our land, our natural resources to build your own governors, own communist head, your own empire. That's a fact because you said it here. It's 1/3 of all natural resources. Actually, more than that. Only my city provide 1/3 of gas and oil from Karmay.